Hello everyone, welcome back to Lego Stop Motion. Today I'm going to do a Lego set review on this police truck. You might have seen this in a few of my previous videos, such as the police's pointless plan. Before I show you what this can do and what about it, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Now, let's get into showing you what this does. The first thing this set does is, well, the door opens. There's a police officer inside it, if I can get the camera to focus on it. And the windscreen is quite big, with some lights, the wing mirrors. There's a police badge and a bumper with the police logo on the front. There's also a little cupboard on the side with a police bike on. And in here is the main part. You can get this to open, hard to do with one hand. And there's two chairs, a couple of cups, a telephone thing, a screen, an overhead screen, someone in there playing with a computer, and here is the prison cell with a prisoner in, and some clear studs. Under it are some wheels. There's 6 or 8 of them in total. There's some at the back as well. A sticker on here with some wanted people on, and a map on the other one. On top of it, I made this police jet that looks like it's with the police because it has got the blue, the white, the grey of the police. You can also slide these out. The back one will show a map. Slide that back. And the front one will show a cup holder with no cup in. There's also a tap in on a clip there, and some lights on the top. The police jet is on a hinge. There's 04 on the roof. This can be taken off to reveal the figure. In my Lego display, this is just turning round the roundabout. I'll close these doors so you can see. And this police bike, I lost some pieces for it, so I used some other transparent pieces. I think there might be one over here. Turns out there isn't. This sort of fits in here, but it doesn't really, because it keeps falling out. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Check out some of my other videos. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you next time. Bye.